Hey guys, it's Kerry here, and we've got so much new equipment now. It's time to do a tour of our 1980s themed bodybuilding, powerlifting, sports conditioning, all-around fitness gym. Okay, so we've got a lot going on here. So we got the cardio section. Okay, got treadmills, ellipticals, bikes. Got a Concept 2 rower in here now. Okay, we even got a little arm wrestling table here. Then we've got our upper body area in the front, and then we got the lower body area way in the back there. So let's go quickly through what we got here. First up, we have one of the rarest bodybuilding machines, which is the Super Forearm machine being modeled here by one of our members. What do you guys think of this machine?
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's pretty good.
And we've got a plate-loaded shrug machine over here, 4-way neck machine. We've got 3 cable crossovers, one that is an actual cable crossover. We got a belt-driven one, Kevlar belt-driven one. It's actually old school Nautilus ST2 series. Pretty rare, actually. And then we got this adjustable Paramount crossover machine that also has the cable row and lap pull-down attachments. Coming back over here, we've got 4 benches just in this section alone. Actually 5 if you count this one. So we got 3 flats here. This one's actually a competition bench. It's missing its arms at the moment. And then we've got a decline bench and incline bench, and then we've also got this Acarian series from Precor ISO plate-loaded incline and chest. Dumbbells from 5 up to 125 pounds. Going to be getting the 150 up to 150s in, hopefully within the next week. I actually got a line on some of them. Pretty hardcore stationary benches here. Okay, we got our little accessory rack. Don't have too many chains right now, but we got lots of bands and stuff over in the lower body area where the more hardcore power racks are. Got some adjustable things over here, and we've also got some specialty bars over here as well. Coming over here, we got our military press. We've got 2 different preacher curls, got the round head and the flat head. Fixed barbells. Now we got the shoulder section over here. We got a side delt raise. We've got another one of these Acarian line ISO shoulder presses, and then we've got a pretty rare front military press from Hammer Strength. Dive in here really quickly here. This area is not 100% finished just yet. We got a little 100-pound kickboxing bag and a little slip bag, which really shouldn't be here, but I'm gonna make an actual proper platform for this. Got a little massage table here. We've got our GHD in here. We've got our mirrors up now finally. Okay. We got some plyo boxes, got some battle rope stations. We got stuff going on in here, okay? Let's see. We've got our back section, starting with a lower back extension. We've got a reverse hyper machine. We've got a one of the holy grail of bodybuilding machines, in my opinion, which is a super pullover machine from Nautilus with the chain-driven system. Notorious, well, famous, really, being used by Dorian Yates to build his Cobra head back. We've got a leverage ISO pull down for the lats. We've got chest supported row. We got bent over row station, and we've also got the, as mentioned before, cable row station. I've got new school and old school attachments in here. So we got the mag grips, and we got the old school stuff. More chest equipment. We've got a wide chest Hammer Strength machine here, which is actually another one of these hard to find pieces. Got a machine press over there as well. This is just another Hammer Strength chest press. Then we've got the double chest machine from Nautilus, another hard to find piece of equipment, has an incline pec fly on it, and then ISO handles here for actually doing a decline press. If you want even deeper pecs, we've got the 10-degree chest machine. Pretty standard, actually, butterfly chest press combo. We've got bicep, again, ISO, right? One of these Nautilus machines, the multi-bicep machine here. And then we've got the tricep extension machine, seated tricep extensions. Got an obliques trainer over here just to be sort of complete with the abs. We've got a Cybex ab curl machine over here. Lower body section, but we do have our pullover stations over here. So we've got pull-up and dip stations for the assisted, and then we have the opposite, which is actually one of these rare maxi cams. Let's speak up loudly for the music here. Rare maxi cam machines, which actually has a selectorized weight stack on it. So you put on the belt here, then you can add resistance to your pull-ups and your dips. We have an old school standing calf machine from Pro Maxima. Then we got a seated calf machine. We've got a glute kickback here. We've got a standing leg curl, lying leg curl, and a seated leg curl. And then we have a glute bridge we just brought in here. Power jammer over here, ground jammer, and base jammer. We've got this selectorized leg extension, and then we've got a hammer strength leg extension right over here, which is ISO again. Selectorized leg press, plate loaded leg press. Smith machine I just finally put the finishing touches on. This is actually a really nice one from Paramount, which has the cable pulleys on it. Inline, in shape I should say, hack squat machine, old school one, really gnarly angle on it. A lot of people love it. Got a multi-hip machine over here. Then we've got our squat cages. We've got 2 Titan X3 cages. Great safeties on it. Some guys do 800-pound shrugs off of this. You can do rack pulls with our stuff because we've got Rogue bars here. Rogue Ohio Power Bar. I've got a hybrid bar over here. I do have pegs here for banded. And of course I've got tons of bands, lots of belts. We have a deadlift platform with band arms on it. We got all kinds of stuff. We got crash pads, got competition plates, you know, safety bar, trap bar, blah, blah, blah. Like, we've got it all, right? And we're the only gym around here, I think, that actually offers chalk to our members, right? We got Rogue Chalk in here. So, honestly, what more do you need? So, that's a tour of where we're at currently. The next plan is to cut a big hole in that wall over there to be able to put more equipment into that room and overflow. Because I got more stuff I want to bring in here, and I'm running out of space for the gym. All right, see you guys in the next video.